Natasha, this is Will. Real quick example, I told you we're going to get this spreadsheet up into Google Sheets. So if you got a spreadsheet saved, you're going to open your Kendall email. Here's my Kendall email. Go up to the little tic-tac-toe up here. You got all the different things. Click Drive. You get to your Google Drive. I'm going to click New, and it's got all these things. I could do Google Sheets. That's what I want to get, but I want to upload my file first. So go up to that Google Drive, up here, Google Drive, and then New File Upload. You got all the file. Hey, there's my example one that I had right here. Takes, hey, it uploaded. Great. There it is. I click it. Now it opens. It doesn't, like, I can't click it just yet, but then you click this Google. Oh, shoot. That's the wrong file. There we go. Here's the file. Don't click that little area. You click it. You can't quite do the Excel yet, but if you just click Open with Google Sheets, it's sitting here, and that's basically the internet's converting your file into Google Sheets. And the reason I like that, it doesn't care if it's Mac, PC, anything. Google Sheets converts it, and now you can mess with it here. Now the graph looks a little wonky here, but you can make it bigger, or you can just delete it and start brand new. Say, okay, here's my data. I highlight this, insert a chart. And it takes a second here. There we go. I got that chart. Maybe I don't want the bar graph. I go up here. I say, give me a line graph. X-axis, right? Because we want to have these years here. So I go up here. What years? There's my years right there. I say, okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think that's reasonable. And then you go up here, those triple dots. Save image right there. And now I just save my graph. And that's what goes into PictoChart. Knock on wood, that's going to work to help you finish that up, and then you get that last submission, and then you get your grade, and then I think we're going to be on our way. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm at my desk for this morning, and happy to reach out and touch base with you.